had this idea for a black on black photo shoot that is black clothing on a dark background with low-key lighting. These are the shots I've created, and in this video I'll share how I took them and my approach to taking photos with my smartphone. First things first, I don't treat my phone like just a phone. It is a professional tool for me. The principles and fundamentals of photography are still the same as with any high-end camera. It's all about lights, angles, and control. For the key light, I used my nanlite FS300B with a shoot-through umbrella for nice and soft light. Then I threw a couple of Codex light moons behind me for the rim light just to get that edge separation. And I'm using a 5-in-1 reflector as fill. And obviously this is a continuous light setup. It's pretty much what you see is what you get. To get that black on black, I need to be intentional about framing. The subject can disappear into the background if you're not careful. That's where the rim light helps to create that shape and dimension. I kept my angles clean and focus on contrast more than color. I'm using a low-key light setup, but since I also wanted to get like a little bit of a checkerboard effect, I also set up a V-flat. The V-flat is set up in such a way that it puts shadow on one side of the background, and on that same side the face is lit, and on the opposite side the face is in shadow but the background is lit. This adds a little bit more depth to the shot. I'm just using the standard Samsung camera app on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I've locked my exposure to ISO 50 and shutter speed to 1/250. I'm using autofocus, that way I don't need to bother with that since I'm shooting myself. And I'm using the 3x tele lens on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. As I'm shooting, I'm making small tweaks and adjusting. And that's my process. What do you think of the results? Drop your thoughts and comments, and if you want more behind the scenes content like this, make sure to share, like, follow, subscribe, all of those things. Let's keep creating and pushing what's possible with just the tools in our hands.